Hi, Daniel Parsons. I've got a video update for you in stock here in Washington State, United States of America. I have one of the IDoc Electric Acupuncture Therapy device. This is what I'm holding in my hand right here. It's inside this box. It just arrived to me from Taiwan. So the device is $600, including your shipping and tracking number. And I will put this in a very secure box and wrap it up and get it shipped to you right away. This video is being made on the 9th of August, 2024. And I am going to be on the East Coast starting next Tuesday afternoon. So and Tuesday is going to be the 13th. So if you see this, and I'll be back on the West Coast later on the 19th, like in the evening. So the way to get this device, you can Zelle me, you can snail mail a check, and what you'll need to do is call me. Pacific Time Zone, weekdays, 360-383-0265. So Pacific Time Zone, phone me. And you can get me on Telegram. My handle is just my name, Daniel Parsons. So I will be getting more of these IDocs as the team grows. And I look forward to, last thing, they are FDA Class 2 approved in-home therapy devices, and they come with a 2-year warranty. They are very, very solidly built. I use mine the way the directions say, and so they come with, I've already done videos that show you what you get, so I won't take your time with that. Bye for now.